one can able to see this model. So, but this is the model I want to go for the additive manufacturing, for example. This is the model, any 3D model which you have created in AutoCAD or maybe in SolidWorks or any other equivalent softwares, you can use them for the solid modeling. Once you do the solid modeling, this particular model cannot be directly taken to for the manufacturing, the additive manufacturing process. What we have to do, we have to convert into another form which the machine can able to understand. STL format we have to do. STL is stand for stereolithographic, and now you can see this. I am going to convert this model into save as. So I am going to save it as STL model. Anyone can able to see this. I am going to convert this into STL model. Okay, STL model I have converted. Save. So once after this CAD model doesn't have any work. You can see this. This has been converted to STL model. You can see here. Anyone can able to see. I'll click onto this. You can see this has been converted, and you can keep this into mm, or you can keep this into centimeter or inches or feet or meter, whatever it is. And you can see the model. Yeah, I think you can able to visualize the model which are generated. Ganesh Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yeah. Please, anyone, please, just I am calling him. Anyone can give the answer. Now, this is the STL format, and this we are going to take it. So, before we get into this STL model, what happens? How the model has to be kept. Whether the model has to be kept like this or like this, whatever the method it is. One problem I'll be showing you. We had a small problem earlier. You can see this particular stick we have created. I have created this particular sticker, and we now to keep this model like this, because in between this it cannot take this particular material adding process. It cannot do. Some supports we have to give. Sometimes it may not able to do this machining, and actually we had a small problem. You can see that also I could not able to do it. I did the model like this. You can see I did the model like this, so I can able to do the machining. These are the supports I have given. I have given the supports here also. So sometimes to make it very conventional for the 3D manufacturing process, somewhere we have to do small arrangements. Somewhere we have to do the small arrangement so that the machine can able to do the machining properly. You can see these are all the things which are not required for me, but also I have added them because it will be forming it is going to mold in the form of layer by layer. It is going to form in the layer by layer. So here we are going to synthesize. That means we are going to analyze how many layers we are going to give, and how much time it will be taking, approximate timing, and what is the heating required to give, and what should be the kind of quality required. All these assessment you can do, and you can give all these input. So all this will come through the experience sometimes, and anyone can able to. I think yesterday the 3D printing machine was taken to the classroom and it has been demonstrated well. Okay, and anyone want to know more about this, you can come to Curide and you can just look into how this 3D modeling will be done. You can see this, all this netting has been done, and here also some supports have been given. All these have been given only in order to make the layering, because if I don't give the support here, the layering will not be formed properly. It will be layering in the air. It will not take the support. So for this we did the layering of this kind. Okay, and this is one. And apart from this, just before I get into the topic, I want to take you to the things where all we did so far. You can see here another model which I have created. The model which I have created, which is need to go for the 3D printing purpose. Okay, this is one model which you have created, and I need to go for the 3D printing. And this is directly a CAD model, and this cannot be given as an input. It has to be converted to STL format, and we have to fix the layering, and we have to fix the quality. So whether it has to be hollow inside or it has to be filled, or any fashion of filling all these informations we have to give, so that in order to enhance, or in order to see that quality what we expected is coming or not. Okay, this is one model which we have created, and we did the machining also. Already the machining has been completed. The 3D printing is completed. Okay, this is one. And other one, anyone can see this. This is one model which you have created, and already there is some machining ongoing, which I have recorded here. You can see this. It is adding the layer by layer. It is adding the material layer by layer. You can see that. That is totally how I have achieved. So, okay, here you can see the XYZ coordinate, how the material is, the tip is moving. It can able to see, and what would be the expected timing required, that you can see that. And here you can see how much percentage of the additive manufacturing is done. And suppose if you have completed 50% of the adding of material, the 50% it will be showing you, and this will be showing X coordinate, Y coordinate, and Z coordinate. And this is showing you what is the tip temperature, because the wire which is there, it has to be melted and it has to be made into a flowability, so that the temperature also can be controlled when we can fix the temperature. Okay, and this is the timing. Okay, this is one I wanted to show you, and other one you can see, this is layer, this is lever machining, and these are all the models which have been already printed at the Q ride. Around more than 62 components are there. We are planning to go for the assembly, and it is for the gearbox. Anyone can come and see this. It will be giving you more clarity. Okay. Purpose of